There was a moment that completely changed how I see leadership and creating change. That was when I joined the US program called Waisili. At first, akala ko parang another opportunity lang to sa akin. But it turned into something much bigger pala. I met people who were passionate about making a difference, people who were actually creating change in their own communities. And it made me reflect kung ano nga ba yung kaya kong gawin na hindi lang para sa sarili ko, but for others too. Hi guys, I'm Jervil Bagtong, a second-year college student at Ateneo. And today, I finally acted on that question. Inspired by the people I met, I started something of my own. An organization called Be The Reason Change Happens. It's an organization that I'm building together with people who believe with the same vision.
Thank you so much, Kuya Pat. I love you so much. Ganda ng pagkakagawa mo.
And habang nag-iisip kami kung ano yung magiging first event namin, we knew we wanted it to be meaningful. But there's this one of the issue na nakita ko online.
Ang ganda-ganda pala niya. May desire sa loob ko na nag-init talaga. At na-imagine ko.
And that's why we created Be The Reason She Leads and She Protects for Women's Month.
So basically, inasikaso ko na tong proposal ko for the Women's Month. Di pa siya tapos, but we're working on it na.
First thing na ginawa namin is a project proposal which cover yung information about sa project, kung kailan gaganapin, saan gaganapin, at bakit gaganapin, and the estimated budget. After the proposal, inasikaso na agad namin makipag-partner sa barangay namin, Barangay San Felipe. And then I delegated na some tasks sa mga friends ko. Yung iba is sa forms.
I'm currently working on the Google Forms and there's Kennedy right there. And anong tinatrabaho mo, girl?
Letter.
Sa paggawa rin ng mga certificates.
For the participants, of course, for their active participation and all.
Yung iba naman is sa template ng PubMats.
Medyo nakakapagod, pero I still manage na matapos siya.
Yung iba naman is sa pagbili ng materials.
On our list is yung certificate paper, sticky notes, and also yung jacket ng certificate.
Meanwhile, ako naman is sa paghanap ng mga sponsors for the food. I've reached out to our congressman.
Kaya mo yan.
Thank you so much po, Kong.
He's the man.
Nag-reach out din ako sa mga friends ko. Kay Ate Kylie for the morning snacks, while kay Kagawad at Tanasio naman for the afternoon snacks. Kasi ayoko naman na magutom yung mga participants at saka para makabawas rin sa gastusin. Di ba? Mautak, no? And another thing that I worked on was looking for speakers. One of the key activities that I planned was a self-defense training para may application talaga. Something na magagamit nila sa totoong buhay, while also enjoying the event. Well, Ate Kylie helped me with this one since she had a connection with a coach na friend niya before. At the same time, I also invited my friend who is an attorney to give a talk about the Safe Spaces Act. It's also important na alam nila ang kanilang mga rights. And while everything is prepared na, there is this one struggle that we are facing right now.
It's 6 participants pa lang, guys. 6 pa lang nag-response. Malapit na yung event namin. Kawawa naman ako. Kawawa naman kami, guys. It's just that the participants na lang talaga yung kulang.
Kaya ang mga ginawa namin, give a registration form sa barangay para sa mga di pala social media and ask them for help na rin for the participants.
Tutulungan tayo nila for our participants. Thank you so much po.
Second, kinausap ko yung mga iba kong friends na may kilala sa mga youth org na baka matulungan tayo. Third, posting lagi ng PubMats for awareness. Tsaka pag-upload na rin ng promotional vid sa page ko. Fourth, wag umasa sa kanila. Kaya naglakad-lakad na rin kami para maghanap mismo ng pwedeng sumali. We're still here, looking for some participants.
Mahirap pala, kala ko madali lang.
17 responses na. So that means effective yung paglakad-lakad namin kanina.
Mapuno man o hindi yung 30 slots na yon, matutuloy yung event. It's 5:35 a.m. Tara, gising na tayo. Let's go na.
Nakatulog ko lang.
I don't know, guys, pero parang tinatamad rin ako ngayon eh. Parang sarap matulog.
It's another clear blue sky with you. Nothing better than sharing this with you.
Kaya yan.
With you by my side, I
Daming
feel
gitgit ah.
so
So we're now here setting up. This is our kind of freedom wall here. Hindi ko alam saan ito ilalagay pero dun siya, sana madikit to. And we're gonna set up na dito yung mga upuan.
We're happy, happy together. We're happy.
I got all the certificates na. Mini certificates. Ang cute, no? I'm gonna sign them all.
Firmahan ko na lahat. Anong kailangan pirmahan? Update, we have 2 participants na. Nandito na si Coach. Hi Coach! Thank you so much! Naka-vlog. So far, 9 pa lang silang participants na nandito. And we're gonna start na. Kasi naghahabol rin tayo sa oras. Welcome dito sa event namin. Be the reason she leads and she protects.
Okay? So chariot means attention. Pero kapag may alam tayo ng self-defense, you don't need to shout kung ano pa. We act. Automatically. You know eh. Ang movement lang yan, simple lang, stand straight, feet together. And then, close fist. Diyan lang. And then, tune neck. We change it, we just pull the right hand, going back to the hips, and then proceed to your left hand. 2, 7. Very good. Mas maganda kung ma-short kayo. 8. Nice. Okay, 2. Very good. 3, 4.
Thank you. Sponsor neto guys. Thank you so much ate. Appreciate it.
Good. Good. More. Go 4. Go 5. Very good. Huwag masyadong taasan ha. Yung kaya lang. Okay, ready? Good job. Go 2. Nice. Go 3.
Ano ate, kaya pa? Parang di na kaya. Kamusta? Pagod na? Dapat hindi. Okay pa kayo? Kaya pa? Kaya pa naman? Baka mamayang hapon wala na kayo ah.
Okay, left hand block left. Ready, go 1. Okay, yung right hand, prepare to chop. I-chop ninyo yung leg ng partner ninyo. Pull the hands and then reverse neck chop. Diretso. Oh! Sinap-chop ka agad. Okay, very good.
Ayun na siya bro. Nagpa-grab ka pala. Thank you so much Bien. Dito na yung lunch natin bro.
Okay. So, there you go.
Sarap.
5, neck chop. 5. Okay, 6, pull and reverse neck chop. Very good. Okay. Okay, go back. Okay, go back. Okay, na? 3, 4. Hirap, no?
Medyo nakapagturo na rin ako but grabe, solid. Ang galing niya magturo ng taekwondo. Kahit na hindi natin naabot yung participants na need natin, konti lang yung mga umattend. But at least, di ba? May mga umattend. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Coach. Sabi nila, finally natapos rin.
This certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Mr. Manuel A. Maniago Jr. for sharing his valuable time as the coach during Be the Reason She Leads and She Protects. Let us hear a message from our very own, our former SK chairman.
You can do it.
Honorable Kylie Tripulca. So let's give her a hand, everyone.
So being a woman in today's world is both a privilege and a responsibility. A privilege because we stand on the shoulders of those who fought before us.
When women enter the legal profession, justice becomes more empathetic, more holistic, and more human.
We are not just participants in the society, but we are change makers. Happy Women's Month, everyone.
Kamusta so far? Okay pa?
Sino yung
All goods pa? Okay pa? Or nagsisisi na? Hindi pa naman. How was it? Thank you. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi ko kayo pinapakain. Ganyan kalaki yung chicken fillet ng binilhan ko. Ay, kagawad! Hello, say hi. Thank you so much.
Abot nindo tataw sa pong celebration ni Gabriel para din ini sa ikakarahay nindo. Sana dahil ka mong manudan, inanal daw na ini.
At bumisita rin sa event yung ibang mga sponsors namin.
So much. Thank you. Hello, thank you for coming. Isa sa mga sponsor namin ng mga participants. You guys wanna say hi? Hi, Kuya Jen. Basta, thank you so much. Very supportive.
Since this is our first event, I wanna make it memorable talaga. Kaya, one simple idea I came up with, magdala ng mirror.
Dwayne, thank you so much sa mirror. Love you.
Para meron din silang libangan during the event. Gumawa rin kami ng parang freedom wall for them to write whatever they want to write. And one last thing that I did para mas maging memorable siya.
Take care mo basahin natin, Thank you. Hello. Take care mo basahin natin, Yours. Take care mo basahin. Later mo natin. That's sa'yo. Thank you.
Nag-prepare kami some souvenirs for the participants, something they can take home not just as a memory, but also something useful.
Ate Nika, I got your shirt here. Thank you so much, Ate Nika, for signing up. I didn't expect it talaga. Thank you, Chair. Ma, supportado to ni Chairman.
Bakit nga whistle, Ate Clyde?
It's a way for you to call for help. Isa rin sa kinagandahan na itong whistle is this is a keychain. Meron din itong flashlight. Hindi nyo lang nakikita kasi maliwanag.
And then, yung last is ballpen. Very useful sa day-to-day life ninyo. And lastly, to make it really, really special, we gave them a shirt. Our Be The Reason Change Happens shirt. Something they can wear that reminds them there's a reason why they're here. That they can be part of change in their own way. This one is iba't ibang message to actually. Meron tong mga inspirational message.
Iba-iba yung mga nakasulat dito. Let's say this one, you have power to inspire because God's Spirit flows through you. Just a message card. Alright, they're here. Ate Reynalin's here. Oh, mali. Ate Reynalin. Balik. Wow, gentleman.
Reyna.
Uy. Hi, attorney. Kamusta? Thank you so much, Thank you so much, ate. Love na love talaga kita. Yes.
Pinakapi pa ako niya ni Don.
Ay, para gising siya.
Feeling ko may kailangan to si Don. Wow.
So our next speaker is a distinguished lawyer and human rights advocate. She graduated cum laude from Ateneo de Naga University and is now a practicing lawyer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Attorney Reynalyn de Maculangan Rosa.
So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good naman. This afternoon, we are going to discuss a very timely and very relevant law that each individual must be aware of. Republic Act number 11313, the Safe Spaces Act of 2019 or the Bawal Bastos Law.
Hindi naman siguro ako pwedeng kasuhan dahil kung ano-ano yung na-imagine ko
And he made such remarks sa hearing na yan na may na-imagine lang daw siya. Ngayon, ang tanong, attorney, may kaso po ba yun? Paano pag naharas ka sa kalsada, hindi ka makakapagkaso under anti-sexual harassment? That's why we have Safe Spaces Act. Yun yung pasok, yun yung violation ng mga taong.
Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to Attorney Reynalyn D. Rosa for sharing her valuable time as guest speaker during the Be The Reason She Leads and She Protects of Be The Reason Change Happens. Hindi pa dito nagtatapos since we have not only an attorney as our guest speaker but also a beauty queen. Can you request Attorney Reynalyn for a sample of your Miss Bicolandia walk?
Mas nabuhayan sila, oh.
Our very own Attorney Reynalyn D. Rosa.
Wow!
Jeffrey!
Ay, di ako marunong.
Request! Si Jubilin daw.
Wait lang! Hindi ako nagpa-pageant eh. Para tayong bodyguard dito. Pwede na! And also sa mga nag-donate na kaibigan ko, thank you so much. Kilala ko kayo. Don't worry, meron tayong transparency report dito kung ano man yung mga ginastos natin. Makakalabas yun. Full transparency, may resibo. Sure kayo, ayaw nyo nang kumain? May pagkain pa dyan. Sino? Kuha na dito, ang dami dito. Look at this, ang daming mga foods pa ditong natira. Ang dami pa. We're just gonna give this away. Sa daan na lang, kung sino man makita natin. Tara! Ciao, Tay!
No po.
Gusto niyo yung pagkain? Thank you po. Asiram yan, kuya. Hello. Gusto niyo yung pagkain? Natira lang to 7th namin. Ah, libre lang. Siopaw, tita.
Pwede magkutsara lang, di ba?
Oo nga, no? Gusto niyo siopaw? Natira lang yan dun 7th namin. Ikaw, dakulon kaya. Ah, siopaw mo. Peace, mom. Sige. Kuya, gusto niyo pagkain? Kain kayo. Tara ka ba dyan? Tulo. Thank you. Ingat, ingat. Good luck. Feeling ko doon, dapat ganito lang ginagawa natin, no? Ginugulat na lang natin sila. Kuya, gusto niyo yung pagkain? Ate, siopaw, gusto niyo?
Opo.
Opo. Asa to? Pagkain?
Hindi nga!
Opo.
Nakahiya naman!
Go lang, ate. No problem. Mga natira lang kasi to. Kuya, gusto mo siopaw? Ay, ayan si kuya. Sige. O, ayan, tulong siopaw. Ubus na, oh. Ubus na yung siopaw. Mga tubig na lang nandito. Uy, solid pala pag ganito, no? Feeling ko next na gagawin natin, mamimigay tayo ng mga libreng burger. Diba? South Corner Burger, baka naman. Mamigay tayo ng mga libreng burger dito. We're done giving away yung mga foods dito.
Organizing an event is nakakapagod talaga. Especially lahat kami nag-aasikaso before the event. And nagpuyat talaga kami to prepare the souvenirs for the participants. But I'm truly grateful talaga that I didn't have to do it alone. I had friends, Bien, Kennedy, Clyde, Chen, Mark, and Dina, who were there every step of the way, always ready to help and support me. Kaya I also made them a personalized letter in the back of our picture. And a handwritten names eco bag. Custom made to, oh. Pasensya na if medyo pangit yung pagkakasulat. Maganda naman siya tingnan eh. With a Be The Reason Change Happen shirt. Kasi they all deserved it naman eh. And to thank them for all of their hard works before the event and during the event. Kasi the reason why na mas naging posible itong event na to, it's because of them. And I wanna thank rin yung mga UNCR friends ko for being my cameraman here.
6'7".
Kasi without you guys, wala itong mga magandang shots na to. Also, I wanna thank the Ateneo Student Ambassadors where I got the knowledge and skills in organizing an event. Lahat ng mga ginawa ko dito, mga natutunan ko to sa open house.
Just wanna say thank you so much sa mga nag-attend. I really appreciate it. And if di nyo alam, this is my first ever event sa Be The Reason Change Happens. Also, I wanna thank God for this event, for making this possible. Kasi last month no, nagpaplano na ako na simulan ko na yung Be The Reason Change Happens. Like, gusto ko na siyang i-execute. But there's only one thing na nag-stop sa akin, which is yung funds nga, yung pera. I don't want naman na gastusin ko yung source of income ko sa pangbayad ko ng tuition. Kaya sabi ko, God, please guide me na lang. Gustong-gusto ko talaga na ituloy ito. After a week, naka-receive ako ng invite or message. Gusto nila akong kunin na speaker. From that moment, I know sa sarili ko na God is giving me an opportunity. God is helping me. To cut the long story short, this March, naka-apat akong talk. Actually, naging host rin ako. This March lang yung nangyari First time yun sa akin. Yung mga nakuha ko naman doon na honorarium, lahat yun napunta dito sa Be The Reason Change Happens. God is really guiding me talaga. Want ko lang naman na sabihin sa inyo na hindi kayo nag-iisa because there is God willing to help rin sa inyo. If meron man kayong gustong i-achieve, God will guide you to achieve that thing. Ibibigay niya yan sa'yo. Pero, paano naman kung hindi? Trust me, it's a redirection. May kasabihan nga tayo na hanggang ngayon na dinadala ko, everything happens for a reason.
And let's be the reason change happens.
Woo!